What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel where we only show you the wildest, most insane, most capable motorhomes on the planet. And today, guys, I'm not even exaggerating, this might be my new favorite build of the entire year. Look at this thing. Parked here by the river at golden hour, this Mercedes-Benz 10x10 tactical expedition beast is straight up intimidating in the best way possible. That full digital camo wrap in shades of dark gray and black makes it look like it belongs in a special forces convoy. Yet the way the light hits those gold-accented rims and the massive Mercedes star on the grille, it's pure luxury wrapped in armor. This is not your average RV. This is a rolling war machine that decided to go 5-star. From the front, the design is aggressive as hell. Sharp LED light bars running across the roof and grille, that heavy-duty bumper with recovery points, and those massive off-road tires with striking gold-accented rims sitting on a triple axle setup that gives this rig unbelievable stability and ground clearance. The whole body has these angular, sculpted panels that scream modern military meets high-end design. Matte finish that looks stealthy during the day and absolutely menacing when the LEDs light up at night. Roof rack loaded with extra lighting, side storage compartments big enough for serious gear, and those tinted windows that hide the insane luxury waiting inside. I have to be honest with you, the first time I saw this render, I paused for a solid 10 seconds. There's something about the combination of raw capability and refined presence that just hits different. This isn't built for weekend camping. This is built for crossing continents, exploring places most people will never reach, and doing it in absolute comfort. Under the skin, it's based on Mercedes' legendary heavy-duty platform known for going anywhere and surviving anything. Full all-wheel drive system, portal axles for extra clearance, and that triple axle configuration with those huge tires that can chew through sand, mud, rocks, or snow without breaking a sweat. Whether you're pushing through the Sahara, climbing mountain passes, or parking beside a remote lake like this Mercedes will get you there and bring you back without drama. Now let's step inside, because this is where the real magic happens. The cockpit feels like the bridge of a spaceship. Clean, flat, symmetrical dashboard with massive screens, quilted black leather captain's chairs, and that rich, warm, golden amber ambient lighting that makes night drives feel special. The steering wheel carries the iconic Mercedes emblem, and when those golden LEDs are on, the whole cabin glows with premium warmth while still keeping that tactical edge. Walk back and you enter an open-plan living area that feels way bigger than it should. Plush black leather L-shaped sectional sofa perfect for relaxing after a long day on the trail. Huge panoramic windows on both sides flood the space with light and views. The kitchen is compact but seriously capable induction cooktop. Deep sink with gold accents, hidden appliances, and smart storage everywhere so nothing moves when you're off-road. Up the ladder to the elevated sleeping area, and you're greeted with a proper king bed, premium black bedding, warm golden reading lights, and a large skylight, so you can fall asleep looking at the stars. The bathroom is a proper wet room rainfall shower, modern fixtures, heated elements, and that same rich golden lighting that makes everything feel luxurious. Power-wise, this thing is fully equipped for true off-grid life. Massive lithium battery bank, roof solar, quiet generator, inverter, satellite connectivity, everything you need to stay comfortable for weeks away from civilization. This Mercedes 6x6 isn't just another expedition vehicle. It's the perfect marriage of Mercedes engineering, extreme capability, and genuine 5-star luxury. Built ones like this easily start around $2 million, and can go well past $3 million once fully customized with all the toys. But for the right person, the serious adventurer, the explorer, the guy who wants to live life on his own terms, this is the ultimate machine that I'm telling you right now. This build has me obsessed. The camo wrap, the gold wheel accents, the way the golden interior lighting spills out at night, it's just perfect. It looks ready for war, but feels like a luxury apartment on wheels. I would take this thing anywhere across Africa, through Patagonia, up to the Arctic Circle, you name it. Guys, if you're still watching, smash that like button if this Mercedes 10x10 just became your dream rig. Subscribe and turn on notifications because we have even crazier builds coming every week. And drop your honest thoughts in the comments right now. Would you daily drive this thing, take it on the ultimate world tour, or keep it as your ultimate weekend escape machine? What's the first destination you'd take it to? Thank you for watching, thank you for the insane support, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep exploring, keep dreaming big, and we'll catch you on the road. This is your boy signing off. Stay safe, stay adventurous, and peace.